Hi guys. I said yesterday when I boxed this kit that I was going to make some unicorn earrings, and I am going to make some unicorn earrings. So let's make some unicorn earrings. All right. So what I'm going to be using for the unicorn earrings are these pink tassels that were part of the strand in the Sam's bead box, the Below the Waves box. These tassels came on the end of a strand. We also in that box got these cool, I'm calling them unicorn horns, but I know they're corn seashells or horn seashell uh, charms. There are these beautiful, beautiful direct beads that I think it's called Ocean Glow. And no, they don't glow in the dark. I checked. But then we also had these 11O seed beads. So I was just going to make some real quick, real simple unicorn earrings with this and some pink rhodochrosite color, Softflex beading wire. It's a nice soft pink. It's kind of a more mellow pink than the pink tourmaline, but I think it goes really well with all of this. So let's pull out some of our wire, and I'm going to be using some flush cutters to cut the wire. I'm also going to be using some 2x2 crimp tubes and magical crimpers. And I've already got some ear wires already made that I'm going to be doing this with. So I think I'm going to need, that seems like that'll probably be enough. That's about 20 centimeters. That's about 8 inches. So let's just grab 2 of those. It's 2 lengths. And set that aside. And I am just going to start stringing. All right, let's get, I think we were going to do 3 on each side, plus that in the middle, and then a unicorn horn. All right. Now, oh, I think I'm going to need some jump rings too. I'll get those in a minute after I get this strung out, and the jump ring is for attaching the unicorn horn. All right, let's get our 11Os. These are silver lined clear 11Os. They add some sparkle and some shine, and they fit just nicely on this. So I want an 11O and then a druck and then an 11O. And I'm going to keep going until I have 3 drucks strung on my wire. Go through the hole. There we go. All right, ending with another 11O. That one's coming off. I should go get one of my little cord clamps. And I'm going to string on. There's a little loop at the end of this. I'm going to string on the wire through that loop. You could also attach a jump ring to it if you needed it to fit on something larger. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side of this with the 11O, a druck, and an 11O, ending with an 11O. Just so it matches the other side. Or, you know what I could do? Is I could just put both of these. I maybe don't even need a, I could have both of these go through this way, like that. Then make myself a nice little circle up at the top. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think I like it like that. All right, now let me get the, yeah, that's how I'm doing it. I don't even need a jump ring. This is how quick and easy this is. No jump ring necessary. Let's pull out. These are 2x2 crimp tubes, and I'm going to stick each end of my beading wire through the crimp tube, going in opposite directions. And I just want to make a little loop up here at the top of this earring for attaching my yes, for attaching my my ear wire through. That's not hanging right. I think I am going to need a jump ring for this. All right, let's try this again with a jump ring this time. Actually, let's have this come out this way. Pull that off. All right, jump rings, jump rings, jump rings. I'm going to use a large jump ring so that it has a lot of movement and swing in this. So let's go with that size. It's about a 6mm jump ring. All right. And now to open and close this, I'm going to use just some tweezers and rose pliers and my my crimping pliers, just because it's got a nice flat edge here, so I can grip my jump ring with it. Slide that on. Hold one end firm while I move the other one into place. That has closed the jump ring. All right, so now when I put each end of this through, I should get more free swinging movement. No, actually, move that off to the side. Let's do it like this. All right, so I have just moved this off to the side to get it out of the way while I make a crimp here at the top of my loop. But I'm not only going to be crimping this at the top of the loop, I'm also going to bring this around and have it go through the other side too. Because I do need a little loop to attach my ear wire to. And I think that will work. I want to make sure that that's going to be big enough for my crimping plier to go through this little loop here. And it'll fit. So I'm going to pinch this, pull on that end. You know what, actually, let's get this crimped, and then I'm going to need to unattach this and attach it in the middle. All right, so this was, all right. Sometimes you got to make changes to your designs because they'll work better a different way. I'm trying to go around this so that the little ravioli turns into a circle. And it's difficult with some of these things in the way. So I probably should have waited to put this on here till after. Gonna remove it real quick. There we go. All right, now I can move this and rotate it without stuff getting in the way. All right. Good planning, Becky. Sorry, this was just, what am I doing? I don't know. And I'm going to cut off my excess. Like so. Boop. Now I'm gonna put this back on right there in the middle. Right where it was the first time. Close this up so it doesn't come loose. All right. Yes, now it will dangle. Dangle. And now it's earring time. Earring time. I hope you guys are having a magical, magical weekend. Thanks for hanging out with me.